If Mahatma Gandhi said that, hey, throw all your clothes which were made in Britain, everybody sort of threw away their stones. Mahatma Gandhi will say that I am going to not eat today. The whole of India will stop eating today. Mahatma Gandhi will say that, hey, I'm going to do my Dandi Yatra and I'm going to break this salt satyagraha. Then everybody will start following him. And, Britishers were shocked that, hey, what is there in this guy's speech? He doesn't even wear clothes properly, but whenever he speaks, it's like it's a full house. Hello and namaste, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. My name is Karthik Gaur, and please do subscribe and click the bell icon to ensure that whenever we upload a webinar or a video, you are the first ones to know. Thank you so much. Let us take some examples, starting with Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, okay, which is Mahatma Gandhi, and everybody knows him, right? The father of the nation for India. And M.K. Gandhi was born on 2nd of October, which is the Gandhi Jayanti. In India, we have a national holiday, and everybody knows his birthday because it's a national holiday. So let us understand what is happening in his speech process. Now, in below this, I've given you some of the major sort of his quotes. An eye for an eye ends up making the whole world blind, and many things. So prima facie, let us understand his second house, second lord, and understand what's happening from the Mercury perspective. Okay, now let us look at, first and foremost, are we having a planet in the second house? The answer is yes. The planet over there is Saturn. Okay, and Saturn is in the house of Ketu, and Ketu is in the house of Saturn. Now that particular thing is called as Parivartana. We will be learning Parivartana at length later on, but what I mean to say is whenever a planet is in Parivartana, then there is a certain change happening in that person's life at a certain stage of life. See, Parivartana doesn't work from the first year. Okay, there are certain ways to understand when the Parivartana will actually work. Okay, so he was a lawyer, okay, and he was somebody who was in South Africa, and he saw a little bit of racism over there. Then he was in a train, in a first class compartment, because he was a well-to-do. Because if he was traveling in a first class compartment, definitely he was a lawyer who was doing pretty well. But he was thrown out of that first class compartment because he was brown skin. So from there, there is a certain change happened inside his soul, that hey, this is so wrong. You are discriminating based on the color of the skin. That is absolutely not fair on me. So that's where this whole sort of journey started, where Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi changed to Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, and let us see that change. So that Saturn initially would mean that, hey, he will have, see, Saturn generally has a speech which can actually little hurt people, or is a very traditional speech, depending on how the thing is. Okay, now whenever that Ketu is in Parivartana, here we see, you remember what was Ketu about? Ketu was about all complete dedication. I told you it can either prepare a jihadi, or it can prepare a very generally it gives you a cult following, right? So if Ketu then changes and comes to the second house by the way of Parivartana, can we say that in the second house, first and foremost, it affects your wealth very badly, because Ketu is not good in the second house. Why? Because it is a Moksha Karaka. A Moksha Karaka planet in the house of wealth, what is it going to do? It is almost like Marana Karaka. So it is going to take away your wealth completely. So a guy who used to wear suits and nice sort of a trouser when he was in South Africa, he came to India and suddenly started wearing, following, let's say, minimalistic living. He started wearing only a dhoti and probably a shawl over there if it is very cold. and that too he started making on its own, which is called as a charkha, or the whole movement called as Swadeshi movement. You understand? So that Swadeshi movement is something that he started. And did people follow him? It is Ketu over second house, and it is second from Mercury. So everybody had this cult following. If Mahatma Gandhi said that, hey, throw all your stores, throw all your clothes which were made in Britain, everybody sort of threw away their stones, their clothes. Everybody burnt it. And in those days, there used to be this very, very open sort of a thing, where they used to create that fire sort of a thing, and everybody used to throw it away. Mahatma Gandhi will say that I am going to not eat today. The whole of India will stop eating today. Mahatma Gandhi will say that, hey, I'm going to do my Dandi Yatra and I'm going to break this salt satyagraha. Then everybody will start following him. Chandra is his Atmakaraka also and has a Rashi Drishti over there. Chandra is ruling salt. So his major sort of claim to fame, etc., was all about that Dandi March, and where he sort of broke this salt satyagraha, where he sort of told that, hey, this salt belongs to India. How can you sort of not allow us to have the salt which belongs to India? And Britishers were shocked that, hey, what is there in this guy's speech? He doesn't even wear clothes properly, but whenever he speaks, it's like it's a full house. So what is the second lord from Mercury? Second lord is Mangal, and Venus is along Mercury, which is the Karaka of the speech. He is along with Venus and the second lord. Very, very interesting. So there is a Mangal part, which is there, but Mangal is with an exalted, Mula Trikona Shukra in its own house. So shall we say that the person has a very, very truthful and a compassionate speech because of Venus? More than truthful, we can say compassionate. So whenever he speaks to somebody, he speaks with a lot of compassion, at least all his formal speeches. But then there are areas where he has been a little not too kind to probably Subhash Chandra Bose or probably to Sardar Patel. But overall, this Venus with Mercury is saying that, hey, this person will definitely have a lot of compassion. Mangal is there, a lot of discipline. My way, highway also sometimes. Right? Because Mangal is somebody, who is like a commander-in-chief. He wants to do it his own way. So finally, when the prime ministership had to happen, they had this voting, and in voting, actually Sardar Patel won. And Nehru actually got 1 or 2 votes. Frankly speaking, he was not even close to what Sardar Patel was to do. But what did Gandhi do? Gandhi actually put his foot down and he plays his part of it, and he said that no, it has to be Sardar Patel, not Sardar Patel, but it has to be Nehru who has to be the Prime Minister of India. And unfortunately, that was one decision which cost India a lot as well. Okay, and it is that Chandra. You see, Chandra is his Atmakaraka in Karka. And surprisingly, Jawaharlal Nehru is Karka Lagna with Chandra in Lagna. Interesting how certain planets can actually bring certain leaders to certain people's life. It is actually a higher study. Why did I say probably way back in 2011 that Narendra Modi will be Prime Minister of India? He was not even nominated. He was not even announced as a prime ministerial candidate, which was later announced in 2012, midway. Why? Because based on India's chart, I knew that a certain Lagna person is going to come to power. And he is that change which is showing by the Narayan Dasha, which India is going to change to. But that I'll leave it for a future session. Okay. But what I want you all to do, especially in the time that you will get, in the comment section, start reading the codes, start attributing to a planet. Can you get the gist of these planets, and then understand that, hey, this quote is for a certain particular planet. Let's say an eye for an eye ends up making the whole world blind. Isn't that saying that, hey, we can't fight with everybody, we need to have compassion with each other? So that's a very Shukra thing. Okay, so likewise, it would be a good sort of a homework for you, where you can start understanding the code, start understanding more about it. And the Atmakaraka moon has a Rashi Drishti on the second house, and it is second from Mercury. Okay, so to that level, we can say that Atmakaraka also has an impact in second from Mercury, So definitely there will be this cult following. Chandra is also over there, so it will be a following, where people absolutely adore him. There will be a certain section which might not like him, but apart from that, majority during those period will actually follow him blindly. It is that Ketu, right? He's captured their head. He's captured the imagination of the nation, so to say. And hence he is rightly called the father of the nation. Namaste Jyotisha lovers. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Please do share so more and more thirsty souls can benefit from this free knowledge which is being shared. Also do subscribe, click the bell icon, and all the questions that you have, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and please keep supporting us.